Hello everyone. So far we have seen how to find the maximum output for a given budget. That is how a firm can make the most out of its available resources. And now let's turn things around. What if the firm has a specific level of output it wants to achieve? In this case, the question becomes how can it produce that output at the lowest possible cost. So let's explore how to find the cost minimizing combination of labor and capital for a targeted level of production. So let's say the firm has production function uh, like this. Q equals the square root of L times K, and the price of the labor is 4 per unit, and the price of capital is 2 units per unit of capital. Here the goal, uh, instead of maximizing the Q, here the goal is to minimize the cost for Q. So we do not have the a limited budget, but we have a targeted output. We want to achieve this level of production, 35.35. So first, as we know, the condition of optimization is MPL here, MPL over MPK equals this ratio, PL over PK. So what we can do here is first calculate MPL, the marginal product of labor, which is the partial derivative of Q with respect to labor, and we will find MPK, which is the marginal product of capital. It is the partial derivative of Q with respect to L, and when we find the MPL and MPK, we set up this ratio. So here we have, this is MPL and this is MPK equals PL over PK. This cancel this, and we can take this up and this down to reverse the signs. We can cancel the negative when doing this, so we will get this as a result. K over L equals 4 over 2, which means K equals 2L, and this is the final result. We also have the ISO cost here. It is C equals 4L and 2K. 4 is the price of labor, 2 is the price of capital. C here we don't have its value because it's not limited, but we try to minimize it as possible. Now once after we found this K equals 2L, we will plug it into the isoquant. The isoquant here, we have this isoquant. We said it equals 35.35. We set it equals this because this is our targeted level of production, which means here we replace K by 2L instead of using here K, putting K here, we put 2L, because K, we know that K is 2L, and then we will find that the square root of 2 times L equals 35.35, which means L equals 25. Since L equals 25 and K equals twice L, it means K is 50. Now we have the bus combination, which is L equals 25 and K equals 50. Now we can find the optimal cost. Here we plug this, there's a value, optimal values of K and L. We plug them into the ISO cost to find the minimum cost. So here C equals 4 times L, which is 25, plus 2 times 50, which is the value, the optimal value of K. Now we'll find C as 200, which means the optimal or the minimum cost for producing 35.35 is 200 uh, 200 units of money, and we can achieve this minimum if we choose this combination k equals 20 k equals 50 here, k is equals 50 and L equals 25. And finally, if we do not have a function but instead we have a table like this, here we have the isoquant. This is the isoquant because we have different combination. We have different combination that lead or that helps the firm to achieve the same level of output. So it is the same output if the firm use 25 unit of capital and 4 unit of labor, or if the firm choose to use 10 units of capital and 10 units of labor, or 5 units of capital and 20 units of labor. All of this combination leads to the same level of output. Here, if the price of labor is 5 and the price of capital is 16, therefore, to find the best combination here that costs less, first we need to set the condition as we saw. So the condition is the same here. MRTS equal PL over PK, and in this case you can find MRTS using this formula, which is the change in K over the change in L. So here we can find MRTS. We add a new column for MRTS here for this point. MRTS is simply the change in capital here, which is 15, over the change in labor, which is 6, equals 2.5. The same way we find this, and the same way we will find this. And as we said, MRTS is the rate at which the firm is substituting capital for labor. So here the firm, for example, here at this point, the firm is willing to replace 15, or to give up 15 units of capital to get 6 more units of labor. So it is 2.5. 15 over 6, it is 2.5. Here we take the absolute value, but in fact the relationship is negative, so this should be here minus, but this is not a problem. We take the absolute value. So here MRTS, we said the condition is MRTS equals PL over PK. We know that the price of capital is 16 here, is 16, and price of labor is 5, so it is 5 over 16 equals 0.3125. So here the best combination is when the condition is met. Our condition is that MRTS equals this value here, and when we check this table, we see that the combination that provides this to meet this condition here is this combination, this one. So the best combination that minimizes the cost is the 5 units of capital and 20 units of labor. So the firm should choose this combination to produce with less cost, to be more efficient. And that's all for the production in the long run. And thank you for watching, and good luck.